In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can follow your friend's playlist on Spotify. Okay, so there's two ways that you can go ahead and follow your friend's playlist on Spotify. You can either get the direct link from your friend itself, or you can make use of the search function within Spotify to find your friend and then follow their playlist. So for example, if I go ahead and tap on the search bar and then type in my friend's name. So I'm just going to type in my name as an example. So if I type Steven Pearson, what it's going to do is load up all the names that I've just searched for. And if you're not finding your friend within the top search results, go ahead and scroll down and then tap on see all profiles. And then from here, you can go ahead and find your friend by scrolling and trying to find them. But I'm going to click on the first one just to show you that you can click on their username. And if they have playlists available, it will show you their playlists that are public underneath all their statistics. Go ahead and tap on one of their playlists, and then you can see underneath the name of the playlist it says follow, and then you can go ahead and follow that specific playlist from your friend. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.